In today's video, I'm going to be installing 6 of the best-selling mods and accessories that come from Etsy for the 4th Gen Toyota Tacoma. Now, all 6 of these mods and accessories can be installed in 5 minutes or less, and altogether, it cost me about $150 for all 6 of these, so they're easy to install and very affordable. Now, to me, there's a fine line between adding mods and accessories to your truck without making it look like an AutoZone special.
Brother, what's that?
You know what I'm talking about. You've seen those types of vehicles, and I'm really trying to avoid that. So I think these mods are tasteful, and in some cases, they're very practical as well. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first modification I'm going to do is going to fix this bed rail cap. This is a common issue with the 4th Gen Tacoma. You can see here that it's starting to lift up right here and creates this gap here, and it's pretty wiggly as well. So someone has come up with a solution for that. This is a bed shim is what they're calling it. Looks like a 3D printed part. It's a hard plastic. And so what this is going to do, it's going to go on the other side here, and it's going to push this side up over here, and it's going to kind of close this gap right here. And guys, this was only $10 on Etsy. Again, this is a best-selling product. I know that there's others out there making something very similar. I picked this one up off of Etsy just because it was convenient for me. I know you can get it from other places as well, but for 10 bucks, I mean, you can't beat that. So to install this bed shim, it's really easy. All we're gonna do is pull up this plastic bed cap here, and we'll insert the shim in there like this. If you have a pry tool, I recommend using it. It's going to be a little bit easier to get this cap up. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now we're going to go ahead and put the bed shim in. There's this little round section that sticks out on the shim. You're going to line it up with this hole in here. So there you go, you can see it's installed. I did kind of dent it there a little bit, but now that's definitely secure. Here it is after the shim. Maybe a slight gap there, but man, it is probably 95% better than it was. This isn't really twisting at all anymore. Like I said, just slightest gap now, but huge improvement. The second mod that I'm going to do is actually in the back here for these high lift jack points. So these are really cool that Toyota integrated this, that you can use a high lift jack. If you're out on the trail, you can stick it in here, lift up the truck, change a tire. So it's really cool that Toyota included that feature. Now, it looks a little bit unfinished to me, and that's why somebody has come up with these. These are caps that go inside here to kind of fill this hole. You can see here, this says TRD on it. They make different colors. There's red. This one's just black. There's blue, I think. So a bunch of different colors you can choose from. Now, I chose black because I think it just looks a little bit, you know, discreet. It wasn't in your face. It says TRD on it in the black. So I thought that was a nice little touch. So these are really easy to install. All you got to do is just press it inside here. There you go. It makes it look nice and finished. So you can see it says TRD on there. I like the black. Like I said, it's just kind of discreet, nice little touch. On the back side here, there is a flexible section. I'm not worried about these falling out at all. It's pretty secure in there, but it's nice that you can pop these out at any time you want. Now, I did order a similar product off of Amazon for $9, I believe, which is a rubber cap. And that one actually looks like it would kind of conform to this section here. It's a little bit more rounded. It's fully rubber. You would just stick it in there. And so I was hoping to have that in time for this video, but it didn't show up. But I'll also include a link down to that one if you're interested in checking that one out. The third mod that I'm going to do is put on this Toyota sticker. Now in the back of the tailgate we have the words Toyota here. It's not very visible, so I chose to do this in red because I think it matches my recovery hooks and just kind of a red accessory theme that I have, and I think it's just going to be a nice little touch. This does come with an alcohol wipe just to prep the surface. You're going to want to make sure that it's nice and clean before you put the stickers on. Okay, we got that nice and wiped down. We're going to go ahead and let it dry. The price on this sticker was $19.79. Now here's a look at the back now that we have the Toyota sticker on the handle there and also the bed caps. I think it turned out really good. I like that it says Toyota Tacoma now. It's very obvious to read. The bed caps turned out really good as well. And I think the red lettering and the TRD would have been actually a nice touch. I do like the black as well. It's a little bit discreet. I thought the red was going to be a little bit too much, but I think it would have been fine. So overall, I'm really happy with the way it looks. All right, moving on to mod number 4. This is also a best-selling item on Etsy. These were $26.79. These are amber fog light covers. So what these are gonna do, these are gonna pop in right here to your fog lights, and it's gonna change the color to amber. Now, I did install the TRD Pro grill here that has these amber marker lights on here, and you can see this color matches perfectly. So I'm really excited about that. Normally, if you wanted to change the color of these lights, you'd have to pull off the whole bumper, change the light out, but this is really easy. We're gonna pop these in. It's gonna change the color. If you change your mind, you can go ahead and pop them out. Here's a look at it up close. It says Toyota right there, which I think is a nice little touch. There's some tabs on here like that, so we'll just go ahead and pop these in. I recommend starting from the bottom, getting the bottom in first, and then pushing on the top. There we go. So here's a look with the lights on. This one obviously doesn't have it. That one does. You can see that it matches the marker lights really well, so I'm happy about that. You couldn't even tell that that's a cover. Now here's a look with the other one in. I love the way that that turned out. I think this amber color matches the amber on the grill perfectly. We have the amber turn signals as well. These are last fit turn signals. If I wanted those white, we could change those out to be white as well if you think the amber is too much. To me, I think it's perfect. We have the white light bar on the grill as well, and then the white headlights. To me, I think it's unique. It's a different look. And if I change my mind, I can just pop these out and we'll go back to white. And to do that, I would just use a pry tool like this. I'm not gonna do it, but you would simply just get it in here, pry it out, and pop it out. And just for kicks, here's a look at it with the light bar on, just to add a good mixture of amber and white lights. Now moving on to the 5th mod. This is going to be a tailgate lock. We know that Tacoma tailgate theft is a widespread problem, and this is going to be a deterrent for thieves. Now with the 4th gen, most of them are going to come with an automatic lock. So when you lock the truck, it's going to lock the tailgate as well. So it's going to be less common on the 4th gen than it was with the 3rd gen. But there is opportunities when your truck is unlocked and they can easily take your tailgate. So this is going to help prevent that theft. This is from a company called Bobbercycle. That's what the BC stands for. I paid $74.95, I believe, for this on Etsy. And this kit comes with everything that you need. There are cheaper kits that don't include everything, but I wanted everything in the kit, and that's what I got. Install is super easy. We're gonna remove this 10mm bolt right here. We're gonna get the bracket, and we're going to get it in place. Put the washer on there. We'll go ahead and tighten this down. Now what we need to do is remove this bolt, and we'll put in this section that comes from Bobbercycle. So now you're going to take this section, put it through here, and then the washer goes on the other side like that. Now we'll go ahead and tighten this down. There you go, easy as that. You can see that you can't actually undo this section unless you unscrew this bolt, because you can't get this off. And so, like I said, this is going to be a deterrent. Now, obviously, someone could unscrew this, could unscrew that, and then get it off, but that's going to be a lot of work. Thieves want to move quickly, and as soon as they run into something like this, they would just move on. So, peace of mind and really easy install, so I'm really happy with it. All right, last but not least, mod number 6. This is a climate control sticker. So if you can see here, this has TRD on it with the heritage colors. And this is going to go right above our climate control. And it's going to add a nice little touch, a little something different, and I think it's tasteful. For this, they also include an alcohol prep wipe. So we're going to use that on the surface here just to make sure everything's clean. We're going to let that dry. We'll go ahead and unwrap this. Jeez, that was a chore. All right, now we're going to go ahead and take this backing off. Perfect. Fits like a glove. Wanted to make sure I had the same amount of gap up here so it's nice and even. And I think that's a nice, tasteful touch. A little bit different of a texture. Has a nice shiny gloss black on there. And I just think it makes it look a little bit different. Nice little touch. Now on his Etsy shop, he had a few different color options that you could choose from in lettering and wording. I like the black one with the TRD heritage colors because obviously I'm a sucker for that if you haven't noticed. But to me, I like it. It's subtle, it's a little bit different, and it's tasteful. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. These are the 6 best-selling mods and accessories that come from Etsy. They're easy to install and they're pretty inexpensive. So hopefully I got you guys some good ideas on how you can modify your trucks. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. Please consider subscribing. Please give me a thumbs up. And I'll put links down in the description if you guys want to check out these products. So be sure to check those out. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next video.